Hey there, so did you know that you can use BlueSky app on the browser? So to do that, you just need to go to the website staging.bsky.app and it works, yeah, it works fine. And then you can just log in with your main account and that's how it looks like. And then you just see all of your details and all of that. So yeah, uh, so that's basically how you just use it in the browser on Safari or Google Chrome, and then you can just browse around. So yeah, something around that. So yeah, it works okay. This is not like URL Blue Sky Social or Blue Sky Web. Just use staging. I'm not sure if staging, probably of course staging will be replaced by the main domain because at the moment it's just like a beta version, so people are just testing it out. So there you have it.